Hi everyone. This video presentation is about Lesson Plan Assignment Part 2. So let's get into it. For your Lesson Plan Assignment Part 2, the expectation is that you are writing 4 lesson plans that center around a during reading strategy. To model this for you, I've chosen the Reading Roadmap strategy, which can be found in Lewis and Strong, the Lewis and Strong text 2021, and around page 111 you'll see different examples of this and more explication of how to apply this strategy. For our reading roadmap, we are using this PowerPoint as our text. I'm asking each of you to move through the PowerPoint at your own pace. So in addition to this video, the PowerPoint will be uploaded to UB Learns. And each destination each destination listed on our map is a PowerPoint slide. And then the mission is just the objective, a question, an assignment that you need to address when you get to the specific slide. So that is what a reading roadmap is. They can look different across different disciplines. You can include graphics if you would like. Ours is pretty straightforward. So as we're going through, I would like you to apply this strategy to our text. So for our objectives for Lesson Plan 2, you will design curricular materials that include a variety of texts and instructional practices for reading and writing. Consider issues of equity and diversity when selecting instructional routines in texts that are culturally responsive. And plan motivational and engaging instruction, which will consider digital and print texts and is using a variety of different instructional approaches. So the objectives, very similar to Lesson Plan Part 1, keeping in mind the importance of equity and making all of your texts accessible is truly something to think about as you continue on in your lesson plan development. Main components and expectations for this assignment. You will have 4 lesson plans in total. You are looking into during reading strategies. I'm really emphasizing the during reading strategies component for this assignment. If there's any confusion about what a during reading strategy might be, I really encourage you to reach out to me and ask. I'm happy to give you any feedback or examples or ideas if you need them. The overall assignment is worth 10 points. It is due this coming Sunday, which is April 16th. And if you've been working with a partner for your quad text set and lesson plan assignment 1, please feel free to do that. What you'll notice with this particular mission is there is a link for you to engage a little bit with this expectation about during reading strategies. So you should come to this Jamboard page, and what I'm asking us to do as a class is to be collaborative. And what are some during reading strategies that you've been thinking about or would like to apply with these set of lessons? I've given an example here, the collaborative strategic reading. That is an approach for during reading support. As you come to this page, if you're not familiar with Jamboard, you're going to select the sticky note feature on the left-hand side. You can change your color if you'd like. You'll type what you would like to say, save it, and there you go. You can edit and delete it as well. Lastly, please make sure you're looking at the examples and template that I've provided on UB for the assignment. Like with a lesson plan assignment part 1, you do not need to necessarily choose strategies from the texts that we've read this semester. However, please make sure that the strategies you are selecting are research-based. So there should be citations for your strategies, as well as the way in which you justify, explain, and apply them. So just some housekeeping notes here. We are in week 11. Your lesson plan assignment part 2 is the only assignment that is due this week. If you would like to submit a draft to me of your lesson plan assignment part 2, you may have until Wednesday, which is April 12th at 11:59 to do that. Okay, everyone. I hope you found this PowerPoint helpful and useful, especially just to see an approach for the reading roadmap strategy. If you noticed throughout, I kept the mission for each slide present on each slide so that you could ask yourself those questions or engage in the activity as you were going through the slide. Again, I encourage you to go through the PowerPoint on your own. I'm going to upload it separate to the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me this week. I really look forward to your assignments. Take care, everyone.